show guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. So today ngifuna ukwenza album review album entsha ka J Cole, album ibizwa The Fell Off. So J Cole ukhipha album ngo-2021, so ubuyile ke ne-album after 4 years. So maningi ama-comment akhona about album because yawaba ne-beef lakade ikhona leti khona between 2024 no-2025 laphana between uDrake, uKendrick noCole bake bamfaka wakhipha i-projects, but after i-project uke waxolisa wathi no yena for the sake of peace uqala ku-step back and stuff. So abantu abaningi kano abasangeni indaba J Cole. I think ama-script rates akamlahlekele wonke laphana kwi-beef but-ke i-album inengoma eningi, inengoma eziwu-25, but into ngifuna uqala ngama-sales because ngibona ama-numbers aphumile last Friday because asephumile ama-numbers ama-sales and ngifuna uspecify ukuthi ama-numbers lama-sales asuke ekhishwa ama-numbers ase-USA. So kuyenza ukuthi mhlawumbe i-album yaphefuma kwamanye ama-countries but ama-numbers abafocus kuwona wase-USA. So i-album yokuqala yaCole yaphume ngo-2011, they call it Side Story. So yona idayise u-218 wama-sales in kwaku-2011 lapho kwakusadayiswa nama-CD because another thing ama-numbers awasafani lawa ama-streams noma-CD. So I don't think equivalent mabe wabala but ikhona indlela yokubala ama-streams wa-convert wase kuma-sales, but I don't think afana nalawa ama-physical copies, but wona ama-numbers-ke lawa aphumile. So awa-2011 album yakhe lokuqala okuyiyona ilindiwe kakhulu idayisa u-218 units. So kuyinto enkulu-ke leyo ngalesa sikhathi-ke. Then iBone Sinner la iphume ngo-2013 if I'm not mistaken, leyo idayise u-290 kwama-numbers-ke impressive leyo, but i-album okuyiyona yadayisa kakhulu ila ngo-2014 355 units. I-album yakhe uyiyona-ke i-Forest Hill Drive, I think yona i-album yakhe enkulu kakhulu. After yona wakhipha i-For Your Eyes. I don't think i-album i-EP usenengoma nje ezingaphelele but-ke nayo yadayisa kakhulu-ke. So after lokho kwaphuma leya ngo-2018 KOD, then The Fell Off Season leto ngikhuluma ngayo iphume ngo-2021 nayo ayizange ithengise kakhulu, ama-numbers abeseshona phansi kwaku-200 and something. So if le album enje idayise u-208 ngo-2026 I think ufele over J Cole ngama-sale. Maybe mhlawumbe bengilindele lapha ku-500,000 because uCole usebe khona isikhathi eside, but i-album i-deep ngale ndlela, inengoma eningi lezi ejuleni ze-hip hop. I think izoenjoy kakhulu abantu abalandela uCole, abantu abalandela le hip hop le, especially ama-90s because one of the issues abantu abawa-raise abantu abayenza ama-review ama-beats akho uCole, ama-beats amaningi akho la abantu abama-hardcore fan e-rap. So I think i-album yakhe yokugcina enabantu abaproduce ama-hits la ngo-2013 because okhona nabantu abafana nabo Timbaland featuration nabantu abapopular abo-Trey Songz and stuff. So iyona abanama-hit song. So lena-ke uyaproducela and ingoma eningi ama-beats akhona walendi, but-ke i-rap-ka uyarapha. Sikhona ingoma nje ensompo kakhulu, ikhona ingoma ephefuma kakhulu ngama-numbers, iPoatengi bayithandile abantu abaningi. There's also another song, Lone at the Top. I think nayo leyo ine-message and ngibone ama-numbers I think ise-reach nane-million because zonke lezi ngoma ziningi and ziphume ngosuku olulodwa but ezinye ingoma zezila ku-1 point something. So I think zaphefoma but nje overall album I don't think i-best album ka-J Cole, I don't think i-bigger than album yakhe leya ngo-2014 i-Forest Hill Drive. So nje mina I think ngayirate ngiyibekela ku-number 3 kuma-album a-J Cole angangayizwa. I think leya ngo-2013 iBone Sinner u-number 1 yami, then leya ngo-2014 uyiyona yaziwa abantu abaningi yaduma kakhulu, ngayibika u-number 2. Lena sengayibeka ilandela no because mawusulalela uyithola isikhathi sahle i-deep. I think nje kumele unike isikhathi mhlawumbe ulalele iviki before wenze i-review. So inengoma eningi abantu abaningi basazo-catch up kuzona late. There's one song ekhuluma ngekasi lakhe laphana ngithi wase-Fayetteville e-America. So there's one song ama-numbers akhona poor, imove slowly and the ville to the whole world. Leyo ngoma le I think izoba big but late abantu abaningi bazo-catch up kuyona lesi because i-hardcore nayo like uJ Cole arapha ngaleyo ndlela. So I think album inamabhazi amaningi kakhulu, abanye abantu bathe ba-offended. There's one song akayenzile akafeaturishe, I think uthatha ingoma ka-Tupac wenza isample ngayo. So abantu abaningi ba-offendekile bathi no akamaze nokumazi uTupac, so wenze njani lokhu because yakhumana last between uKendrick noDrake beef akhona. uDrake wathatha i-voice ka-Tupac wayifaka AI nakhona, still was an issue laphana. So I think nje mawukhipha ingoma wathinta ingoma ka-Tupac mele wenze short ingoma yakhe yaqaqa. So abantu abaningi abekho happy ngaleyo but maningi ama-cover song. There's one song aka-Common nakhona ayisampulile maningi nje. When it comes to ama-features khona i-feature eno-Burna Boy lo wase-Nigeria, khona no-Tems naye futhi waseNigeria. Ibona nje abantu engibabonile because ayinabo abantu abaningi ababig laphana nje. So I think wekhesa labo bantu nje abambalwa ade kubale ukuthi ba-featurishe because ukhulu uyaziwa ukuthi akawathandi kakhulu ama-features, umuntu nje usebenza nabantu abambalwa, but imnandi kakhulu engoma eno-Tems leyo, yiyo naye ngizwile. So nje I think i-issue ikuma-beat kumina. So nje I think ngiyarate nginikeza u-7 out of 10. Like i-album isolid, izohlala isikhathi eside, and usho ukuthi i-album yakhe yokugcina i-album azoyikhipha after le. So I think indlela kaphume ngayo ufuna uphume nawo ama-sales because after leya beef I feel ngathi ukhulu wavele walahlekelwa i-image nani-direction. I feel like i-mixtape la ade ekhiphe before le album akarapha kuma-beats abantu, inengoma eziningi ezimnandi more than album yakhe because urapha kuma-beats abantu. Even nale EP la ekhiphe last year, the time kusa-beef laphana, lebizwa I Might Delete Later, I think nayo imnandi than this album because inama-beats, amanye ama-beats akhona we-trap, inama-features abantu aba-relevant. So I think le project yakhe iyenzelwe ama-fans akhe. So nami ngomunye wama-fans kakhulu ngiya-understanda, but ngiya-understanda why abantu abaningi futhi benama-comment a-negative toward the-album. So yeah, I think nami umbono wami su-speaker nawe lo, but I think izolast isikhathi eside, especially ngoba kwi-album yokugcina mhlawumbe abantu abaningi abakazi bemuza ukhona abazo-catch up later, maybe bazo-enjoy because amabhazi ngifuna uqamba manga uyarapha, like urapha strong, but I think masulalele ngoma zabhora nama-beats akhona lokhu eshintsha and stuff. So I think kumele ethole o-producer, but ushilo wathi no akasafuna ekhipha album from now on, uzofocusa kuma-festival. Ne-record label yakhe i-Greenville lana ade yenzile, washo ukuthi no into ade yenze nabangani bakhe. So ngenze ukuthi bazoqhubeka bebe khona abantu abasayinile like abo-GID nabo-Basi, but ayikho into etheni ezoqhubeka because uthi no akanama ama-future plans lakho ukusayina ama-artist amaningi, like ubekwenza nje ubekwenza kubantu abangani bakhe. So I think iyona end of chapter ka-J Cole leyo. So I think mina le beef iyona ilegacy yakhe akazosala nayo ukuthi waxolisa ku-beef laphana, but ingoma zakhe zikhona ezimnandi. I think nje i-album yakhe lokuqala, especially ama-mixtape, because abantu abaningi ba-catch up ukukhole after i-album le ngo-2014, but unama-mixtape amaningi kakhulu akadrophe before i-album yakhe leyo. Ama-mixtape ayedrophe ngo-2009, I think A1 the warm up ya 2008 now. So maningi ama-tape, so maningi ama-projects akhe. So I think mhlawumbe bekuyisikhathi-ke, but I feel like ifemu azona into zakhe ukholi because ugude makusa-split ama-bus, but masekuthiwa kumele kuye face to face and stuff, akuyona into yakhe. But I think i-album yakhe no ayikho red bait. Abanye bengibona kuthutha la ama-comment, especially from ama-Americans, no abantu abaningi no they're not feeling album le nje bathi no islope iyabhora iyazilisa and stuff. But I think mina album ngayineza u-10 u-7 out of 10 uzu-speaker nawe. So ivala lapha i-video ethi-speaker nawe. Anyway, sekhona ku-Twitter ethi speaker nawe, sikhona ku-Instagram si-speaker nawe, sekhona futhi naku-Facebook si-speaker nawe, sesikhona naku-Twitch si-speaker nawe. You can also like i-page lethu ku-SoundCloud si-speaker nawe, sikhona ku-Audiomack si-speaker nawe. We out.